Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to encourage you to be local and be proud. Whenever possible, always choose locally grown or at least regionally grown produce. Fruits and veggies sourced closer to home will almost always be fresher, healthier, tastier, lower in pesticides, and cheaper. This virtuous practice also benefits the environment, boosts your local economy, and naturally builds in a more diversified diet by encouraging seasonal eating, because what grows in the summer is different from the winter. I highly recommend and endorse local farmers stands, farmers markets, CSAs, and of course, growing your own. Anyone can grow herbs or lettuce greens in a large pot. Here is a sneak peek at what's in my backyard right now.